Today, there was a mega rally in the city of Benin, Edo State, ahead of the upcoming governorship election. And this one is the final lap for the incoming Saturday election. And trust me, Peter Obi, all the Obidient you can ever mention were all present. You could see the likes of the governor of Lagos State, the candidate of governor of Lagos State was there. A lot of people, Aisha, Yesufu. This is actually the arrival of Peter Obi to the event, straight all the way from Borno State, where he was yesterday. He flies straight down to Benin, Edo State for the final phase of the rally today. It was awesome. I will not deny the fact that it was a magnificent one. And as usual, I will always want to give you guys the best. Yeah, sorry for the delay, guys. The network has been messing up, but I'm finally back now, and the content will start dropping one after the other. So enjoy this one, and please don't forget to subscribe here. Drop your comments, your thoughts about this governorship elections are very much. Drop all of them in the comment section below, guys. Enjoy the video, guys.
We want this election to be free and fair. We are not looking for anybody's vote. Time of rigging is coming to an end in this country. Time of rigging is coming to an end in this country. We are coming to an end. Time anyone that rig the election, we will rig him. They put us into trouble. Where nobody can prove Nigerians are suffering every day of hunger, of everything. We cannot continue that way. That's what the Labour Party wants to change. And that change with what we are preaching. Oluwakata is not just our guy, he's our governor. Look at Gbadebo. Look at our deputy governor. Look at how they are. Deputy governor, senior advocate. This one, former NPA chairman. Former CS president. Who are they pleasing? The chiefs, they know what law and order is. They will fight insecurity. They will fight criminality. They will stop stealing. And they will use the resources of the state to develop the state. A God is an advanced state. Now that they bring people who don't even talk. We don't want that. Who is your God? Who is your God? So you can bring your God and make it up for you. I think that you bring this and make it tell us where is it?
Right now, the campaign office has been prepared to actually move to the rally ground. But first of all, Fegge is going to go to the party office where he's going to meet a lot of Obidient who have been waiting patiently this morning, to have a match with him. Thank you, Ministration, who just flew from Abuja this morning with PO. And I've seen Senator Victor Ume, Senator Nanadi Usman, Senator Victor Ume, like I've noted, and a host of other people who just flew from Abuja this morning to actually boost the campaign efforts as we prepare this morning. So it's going to be an awesome moment in Edo State today, because you can see the cream like cream, the who is so in Labour Party. Who just flew in from Abuja this morning to actually give their support. Recall that Victor B has been coming in to the states He was here on the 10th, he was here during the flag off, he was here on the 14th, and he's also here today to actually, help, to make the final, push. We'll be bringing you more updates, as events, unfold today. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here, at Olumide, Osaibofo, and Kadiri, Yesufu SN, campaign office. We are, the Labour Party officials and the Obidient movement are preparing for a grand finale of a rally, of a match, of one that is not actually seen, throughout this campaign. It's going to be an awesome moment today in Edo State, and we're bringing you events, bringing updates, as events, unfold. Ladies and gentlemen, just stay tuned, and as we bring you more details.
Mr. Peter Gregory will be just arrived at the airport. Yeah, that's Peter B. Very good. That's Peter. GRV. That's GRV, right? GRV.
He came with me before.
We dropped him here. That just landed.
I don't try to talk to the DSS that since he's going with me, but this one everybody goes together now. But very soon we will enter DSS now. They have agreed. But the only thing said that Obi can share on. Because when they want to move, they move.
Voila. English will give some people problem.
We want to bring now stage. We cannot take all our distinguished senators and as well with our House of Representatives here present. But we are going to be bringing a very distinguished senator who will speak on behalf of all the National Assembly members present. Who the candidates is going to say that our distinguished senator representing the people senatorial district, no other person than Senator Emmanuel. Just 2 minutes, and the second senator.
We have done it before. We have done it before. We will do it again. There is no fear. Whatever it is that they have said they will do, God is on our side. You, the youths, our women, you are all able to defend our votes. We have the knowledge, we know it. The people on the streets are with us. Only the evil ones are against us. But someone has said before that where God is with us, we are in the majority. I know that we have the power, we know we have the unity, we know that we have the strength, we know that we can defend our votes, we know come September 21st, 2024, Olumide, Kadiri, and Go will be okay, and we shall win and move together to Achebe house.
Thank you so much. leader of the party, His Excellency Peter Kevin. I'm working with his directive, and we're going to manage time. Are we happy? And don't be okay with the Obidient gathering. In a few minutes' time, we are going to be hearing, listening to the waves of our incoming governor, the next governor of Edo State. Soon. Warm up. And those of you sitting under the canopy, you are in a long time. Right about now.